In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create spaces on your Instagram captions. So to do this, you would have to go ahead and upload a video or an image to Instagram. So tap on that plus icon in the middle of the screen once you're on your profile. And I'm going to go ahead and select this and then just tap on next. I'm not going to add a filter, so I'll tap on next again. And this is where you would normally write your caption. Now, typically people will write out their caption and then put a period or some emojis to create spaces, but that's not the way we're going to do it in this video. So to do this, I have linked a website in the description of the video and I've saved it in my notepad, and it's this website right here. If I go to this website, I'm going to open it in Chrome. This is the line breaker generator for Instagram posts and so on. So if I go ahead and type something into the description box over here, it's going to create automatic invisible breaks when I push return on my keyboard. So I'm going to go ahead and type something out. Okay, so I've written out my text and I have spaces in there. And what it's done is created invisible lines that you won't be able to see on Instagram, but they will be there as spaces or line breaks. So if I copy this to my clipboard, that has now been copied and it's been converted into line breaks. So if I go back to Instagram and then long hold on the caption area and then paste, you can see now that I have line breaks in the caption, and that's going to display as line breaks when I post it. So if I go ahead and tap on share, that's been posted. And if I look at the caption of this post, you can see that the text has line breaks. So that is how you create line breaks on Instagram captions. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.